Hello guys, you watch this video because you might have the problem with the emergency brake cable. As you can see, the cable in behind this the back shoe here and run all the way along to the vehicle frame right there. If you have never done like some brake system design like this, and you might get a problem with the brake cable, and follow this video and easy step by step you can get it done yourself on your vehicle. This is a 07 Chevy Silverado. As you can see, the new brake pack comes with you see the emergency brake handle like this. This one is unremovable and not something like some brake system you can able to disconnect right here and put the old one back to the new brake shoe, and you install easy like this. As you can see, it comes like this, and the problem is the way you disconnect the emergency brake cable right here seems to be a little bit easy, but when you put it back with the new one here, it's simple. If you don't know how, it will take you maybe the whole day to remove the shoe here. On this design, it seems to be not really hard compared to another system design. As you can see, you can try this guy out, yep, like that, and also this side too. Let me see how. Yep. You have to try it out, and you guys see it. We have these outside now, one here, and about this spring, you can see you the flies like this to move it. Yep. And we got the spring right here, put on top here, and the lock here, this output here, and then you can able to take this shoe from the front of the vehicle. No emergency brake cable on it, but in the back here with the emergency brake cable. This one put on top here too. Now as you can see, I'm able to take this, I don't know what it calls it. Yep, we have this out here. You can push now. So now, as you can see, let me roll the camera a little bit and you can see. And you can see the cable right here. Yep, the cable right here attached to the shoe. And what I would like to do is see is yep, right here, guys. Now this one, if we try to disconnect the cable, you use the little screwdriver like this, but make sure you don't an accident is you get hurt by this, okay? And let me track in here. Then we have the lock right here. It always try to pry the guy up a little bit. Yeah, let me hold it here to track that screwdriver in. Yep, seem a little hard, guys, and not easy. Let's try this. When we disconnect the cable from the brake shoe, from the emergency hand brake bracket like this, it's not a little hard, but it's not really hard than when we install it. We put the cable back into the new one. Yeah, try it. Yeah, try it. Even I tried the way you guys might do like this, but as you can see, I will try it for a while, and as you can see, it's super hard. It's not really super hard, but I don't want to get hurt with the screwdriver and will pin on my finger on my hand like this. Let me show you the way how we do it. We can follow the cable. As you can see, the spring going here behind the brake assembly. Let me remove the camera and you guys might see that. This is the way. Yeah, you can see the cable may go back here and go up here and go here. As you can see, keep in mind that the bottom one the top one, it will go to another side on the rear wheel side on the passenger side. As you can see, keep in mind from here, now we follow the bottom one. Let me show you under the car what we should do. As you can see right here, the point, I show you guys pay attention, we follow the bottom one. But anyway, from here we can see it go to this wheel. Yep. And the wheel we're working on right now, and follow the cable. It's here, it's here, and then it go here. Yeah, also the bottom one, as you can see right here, they share from the main cable from inside the car. When you apply the brakes, it will pull on the cable, and right here will pull on both sides. As you can see, let me put the camera somewhere, and then we have to disconnect right here for more easier job. Yeah, it's hard to see for me to see it in the camera screen. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, and the bottom one, let me try to disconnect it right here. Let me see right here. Yep, the cable, yep, separately from the main cable right now, guys, as you can see right here. So now from here, as you can see, you can able to pull the whole cable out like this, as you can see right here, and that's why it make you easy to move it away before that thread will break out. So, and I also show you guys how later when we put the new one back in, and how we put the cable back in. Yep, right now the shoe are the separate from the emergency brake cable, and now this one throw away on where the brand new. Yep, the brand new here, as you can see. Yep, they put it back in, and right now I have no idea any tool to install the cable on some design like this. But another way, another system, another vehicle, you might disconnect from here, from the old one, and remove the old shoe, and put back the bracket to the new shoe, and you got to go. But on this, as you can see, this one come with the shoe. So the way, right now I have no idea we have the tool for this one. Okay, as you can see from here. Now from here, because in this we have a lock, you can see the lock right here that lock the cable and in place. Right now we cannot push it in until the lock is really and open and close. Let me show you how to do this. And you able to use the little T-show right here. This one is strong enough, and this one is T-show right here about 1/8 of an inch, and I track it in here to the end of the cable, and I try to find it up. Yep, and you can see right now I have the end of the cable locked out here in place. So now the mention of this video, you guys watch this video because you have never done this before, or you have never seen someone done this, and then you might got a problem with your car after you remove the old shoe, and you cannot put the old one, the new one back in with a emergency cable like this. And even you see from the beginning, I got to use the little screwdriver like this to try this. I recommend should not do that, guys, because you may hold this and you use the screwdriver, try it, and you accident and try to the side and hit on your finger like this, or inside your hand like this, and then that's so bad, like the back there. Okay, now we can able to install the connection. Earlier I took out from the bottom of the car, and I don't think after I connect that back, and then we will end this video. Okay guys, I'm here trying to not touch the camera and let you guys see the screen, the video steady like this. See how I connect that. And you can see the end of the cable we pull out, and it all way in here to the end of the outside cable. Yeah, we put back like that. Yeah. But as you can see right here, we still have about, let me see how much here, about more than, yep, you try 2 hands, but still more than an inch right here. You cannot put it back in. Let me see. My camera, my microphone is dropping on me. Oh man, this sucks. Yep, okay. In the case, you can use this flyer, as hopefully you can see in the video. Let me fly it. Yeah, yeah, like this. And then you hold it from here. You try to more tension. Yep. Yep, it go in. Yep, that's it, guys. Okay, now from the screw down there and from the connection right here, and we already done both. We install the new screw with the new put with the emergency cable put on, and right here with the connection right here, put it back, everything done. Okay guys, in the video, if you got a problem with your car, just take a little bit of time and watch this video and follow, and you might get your car done. Alright, thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you guys next time, bye bye.